Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Welcome back. Let's see what we get first today. I'm finna head out. It's Thursday. I'm ready to make some money. I got all my equipment with me. I got my tripod set up right here. So look, now you get a new view. You get a different view. See, that's what I'm talking about. We leveling up on this channel. We upgrading. We getting better stuff. Bringing it to you better experience. We're gonna see what we get first. I got Uber Eats running. I got Walmart Spark running. I may turn on Instacart. I'm not sure yet, but it's the weekend, so I think I'm gonna be making more money on food delivery. Will I or will I not? I don't know. But the thing is, I go by past experiences. Usually in the past, when Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday hit, that's when I start making more money, especially in the evening time. More money to be made in the morning time too, for sure, but in the evening time, you definitely see an influx in orders because people ain't at work, kids are not in school, families are more together in general, and people are eating out more in general on the weekend. So you tend to see higher tips, higher order volume, just higher everything. So let's get out here, see if we can make some money. I'm trying to make like $150 an hour. Stop playing with me, because if it ain't big money, I don't want it. But realistically, let's see what we can get out here and get. I just turned the apps on. Nothing's fired off yet, but we're gonna head on over to my little hotspot and see what's popping. First order of the day, we checking in at Walmart. I just got a $6.50 for less than a mile order. Perfect. Ain't nothing but a couple pies on this order. I was driving for about 7 minutes. I ain't getting nothing on Uber. I said, you know what, it's dead. I'm about to go home. That's how quick I make my decisions. Like, if I don't get no order in the first 5 minutes, what is going on? Where is the orders at? But all jokes aside, I had to make sure that I get something going. So I snatched this one. It said that it wasn't gonna be ready for 20 more minutes, but guess what? I'm gonna teach you a little hack. If you go ahead, accept the order, it say it ain't gonna be ready for 25 minutes, still check in, click on the order, click the details of the order, and you can see if it's actually ready. This one is ready. I'm about to give them the OSN number, and then they can bring it out to me, and I already have it. Walmart Spark order, not ready yet, but it's all good. I still got 20 minutes until it's supposed to be ready. I just got my first Uber order, $6, 2 miles, $6, 2 miles at Freddy's. We finna head on over there and get this one done. I need to get these wheels rolling, because look, I'm trying to make my $150 per hour as quick as possible. It ain't no way I can make that if I'm just sitting here waiting. Let's head on over. Order was ready to go. Let's get it. Go ahead, get this one dropped off. Shoot right on back to Walmart. Get that Spark order done. Alrighty, we got our Walmart Spark order right here. Just 2 pies. Let's get it. We finna drop this off less than a mile away. Let's get it. Hopefully we get something on Uber Eats too. I did turn on Instacart, but let me not get nothing. I'm heading right to the zone, because it's about alrighty, first 2 orders of the evening done. It's been exactly 30 minutes, and I have not got my next order yet. So I'm about to head on over to the zone. It's still cold as heck out here, man. It's 4 degrees outside. So I know it's gonna be some orders once I get over here by the mall, because there's a lot of people that's not coming out in no 4-degree weather. And you know what? I don't blame them, because look, if I wasn't doing my thing and it's how I make my money, I probably wouldn't be out. There's some things to do in 4-degree weather, but it ain't for me. Make sure you keeping up on your car, because my blinkers went out, my brake lights and my right side blinker. So I just went and replaced those yesterday. Installed them. It was quick and easy, nothing but a couple screws. But safety first though, because I want to make sure that people can see my brake lights, and I want to make sure that when I'm turning, people can see that from a reasonable distance. So I just wanted to make sure I pass that message along, Dashers. Make sure you're being safe out there. Make sure you're doing your daily checks on your vehicle. You know, check your tires. We got our tire pressure gauge. Make sure you check your blinkers. Make sure all your blinkers are working. Make sure your brake lights are working before you leave and dash and head out for your shift. So we finna go ahead and head over here to the zone. Hopefully I get some great orders over there, because like I said, I'm trying to make $150 an hour. So that means I gotta make $140 more in this next 30 minutes. Stop playing with me. Fastest dasher alive. But all jokes aside though, make sure you taking orders that are profitable for you. Them last 2 orders was cool. Had to wait a little bit for them, but it be like that sometimes. Had to get these wheels rolling. Now that they rolling, my parameters are gonna be increasing a little bit more. Let's go ahead and slide on over to the zone. Quick stop real quick. This right here is the Sioux Falls Bike Company. This is where I get all my stuff from. I got my e-bike from her. They go ahead and service my scooter. They hook it up for me. We're about to head on inside and see what's going on. Not too bad. How you doing? Alrighty, this slowdown is real, man. I made it all the way over to my zone. Sat for 7 minutes and just got my next order. $6. That's it. $6, 3 miles right over here at Panda. Now the good thing is, I'm right next door to Panda. I'm sitting at Chick-fil-A now. I had to use the restroom. They got a drive-through, but I don't know how busy they are. But I needed something. I'm so glad that the order they sent me was something that's reasonable and something that I wasn't gonna be forced to decline. Cause I've been sitting way longer than I like to sit. $6, 3 miles, ain't gonna be nothing hidden on this one, but it'll keep me from sitting any longer. Let's get this. Hold on. I ain't trying to get no copyright strike. Let me stop. I just got my next order. $15, couple items right here at Target, and we already here. We finna slide up in here and see what's going on. I had to grab this real quick because I ain't getting nothing on Walmart, but I'm pretty sure once I get done with these little 5 quick items, probably gonna be jamming on Walmart Spark and on Uber Eats again. Got all the shopping done for that order. Look at that. Easy $15. Let's go. Let's see who we got. Alrighty, got my Walmart Spark order picked up. Now we finna head on down here. Only 4 miles on this one. Easy order, but it's a double order though. But that's cool because I need to keep these wheels rolling. Hopefully I get something on Uber once I get back closer to my zone. We're gonna check back once we do. Just got my next order. Got a $20 stack right here on Uber. First one was a Cold Stone pickup. This one right here is at Five Guys Burgers and Fries. So I just pulled up. I went in and checked in already to let them know that I'm here. Cause I know I know they don't drop the fries until you get there. But I wanted to go ahead and do that because I want to cut down on my wait time as much as possible. It's been 30 seconds. I recorded this little clip. Hopefully that's enough time, man. But for real, like, that's the one thing that I don't like about Five Guys. And it just all comes to, you know, us being independent. We don't have to take the Five Guys orders, right? But if you take it, you need to understand that this is a merchant that don't drop the fries until you get there. I gotta be willing to deal with that, and on top of everything else that I set up to make sure that an order is profitable. So I accepted it. I gotta be willing to wait for it. Now I'm not saying that it ain't times where you shouldn't have to wait, but everybody that do food delivery know Five Guys ain't dropping them fries till you get there. So you better make sure that if it's a profitable order, make sure that you cool waiting on a couple minutes, and then make sure it's a profitable order. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and end it right there, man. I had a little emergency back home, had to run back home, but that's the beauty of gig apps. It gives you that flexibility to do just that. Ending $50 on Uber. All the tips ain't in, but we did 5 trips and I only got 21 bucks on Walmart Spark. So not actually my goal, didn't hit that $100, and I was out here for about 3 hours. But that's okay though, because some days ain't gonna be as great as other days. But as long as you out there getting that money, it's all to the good. And that's what I did today. I came out and I made my money. I didn't make it all, but I made some of it. And I'll be right back out first thing in the morning. There's some more money in the morning time. She'll be a lot of coffee orders. She'll be a lot of shopping delivery orders. It's the weekend, so we're gonna get this money.